Good day all, welcome back to my channel. Here, I guide you into money making tutorials on how to navigate the crypto space, on how to invest in the crypto space prudently as seen in our channel, The Wealth Alert. In continuation of our coin listing projects, which I discussed earlier, that we are going to discuss two of the coin listing projects, which we discussed one the other time. So today we'll be discussing on the second coin listing project, which promises to also come out massive with massive and great profits. Now let's proceed. This particular project is called the Cakecore. As you can see, it is a project that is affiliated to the core, that is the Satoshi core that was mined earlier, that is already in circulation, which is already listed in exchanges such as Bitmart, Bybit, Huobi. But I'm very sure of these three exchanges. I think Mexc also have listed the core Satoshi token. So this particular cake is mined in collaboration with this core. So as you can see, that's a total supply of 2 billion 100 million has been in total supply, and it gives out airdrops, and it also gives out ICO, that is initial coin exchange, initial coin offer. So this, and you can also see their contract. Here's their contract for you to view it on CoreScan to know that this is the genuine site that you are clicking on. Then they also have their Mix, which gives you their total supply, their airdrop, their staked reward, game reward, liquidity, ICO, founders and ambassadors. So telling you that this is the total in supply of their total of the Techonomics. You can go through it, and you can also see that the ambassadors are in possession of 42 million cake, which is a large amount. It also shows you that it is easy for you to own this cake. You can either own it through airdrops, or you can buy it through ICO, or you can also delegate it. Through staking. You can see the stake is still on. That is the one you either bought or the one you airdropped, you earn through airdrop. You stake it for more yield. So we still proceed by going through their processes by clicking on this icon here. Once you click on it, it takes you to the home page, which we just finished going through. The airdrop, the ICO, the delegates, the NFTs, different stages of the NFTs, the marketplace, your account details, your roadmap, your white paper, and then for you to log out. Before you commence this cake airdrop, you click on the link in the description box for you to get started. Remember to have your document handy, as you need to be KYC verified before you proceed in your mining of this particular coin listing. So once you click on this, on their roadmap, I want us to first go through the roadmap before we go through the main details. Once you click on the roadmap, it gives you the activities for you to expect. That is their schedule of activities for you to expect for the successes and the processes of this coin listing. This particular process started April 2023 according to their roadmap. May 2023, they released the NFT and the stake session. Then in August, which is just barely a month away from now, they will stop their airdrop, they will stop ICO, and they will start withdrawals. Then September, the cake will begin to list. That is, they begin to list on different exchanges. And I strongly believe that since they've already been listed on Bybit, on Bitmart, on Hobby, on Mexc, those are the ones I can remember now. It therefore means that even if they list, they will also start partnership with the same exchange that they've started with before proceeding to others. Then in October, it will be trading in the markets. Then January 2024, you can now play and earn more of the tokens. That is the roadmap for this Cakecore. So now go proceed to your account. Once you click the account, it's opening up. It gives you all your account details. All your account details, your username, your email address, your ID number. That is the number you use for your verification, and then your referral link. This referral link, once you share it and others register through a referral link, you have bonuses on your airdrop that is being received. And you also have opportunity to change your password. Remember that the ID verification is very important. You can see the different processes you need for your ID verification, which are stated here. So you need to go through this because you will need it for your ID verification. Ask that only your national identity card, that is your passport or your driver's license, that are accepted. You should make sure that your ID card number matches the number that you registered, because they will ask you for the number when registering before the KYC. Make sure that the particular ID number you use matches with the ID that you have at hand. The quality of your photos, ensure that they are very clear. Don't take them in a dark place. Ensure that you have sufficient light, and the rest. I believe most of us have gone through KYC before, and once you are verified, you will see it this way: KYC verified. You can see it. I am KYC verified. So now proceed back to our now we'll proceed to our ICO. Once you click on the ICO, it opens up and shows you the cake to core ratio, the input and the output. So once you have one core, it gives you 500 cake. So it therefore means that when you have 300, you have 3 core, it gives you an opportunity for 1,500 cake, and the ratio continues like that. So this gives you an opportunity to acquire more core in your account. We will now proceed to our airdrop, which is the major one I know a lot of us would like to participate in, because it's opening up. So as you can see, here is the rate that you mine per hour: 3.5 cake per hour. Your username will appear. If you have referrals, it will appear here. It will give your total cake balance, and then opportunity on how to connect to buy your ICO, which will still go through it. And then here it shows you your verified balance and then your mining process. You can see that this starts here. You click on it once every 24 hours. The cake mining covers a duration of 24 hours. Here shows you the total cake that you have. So now, how do you connect your wallet in order for you to be able to carry out your ICO? It is being itemized here. You patiently go through this process. You will not miss it. You click on this how here. It opens up. It's telling you how to connect your wallet on your mobile device. First and foremost, if you don't have a MetaMask, you have to install a MetaMask in your device. After downloading a MetaMask, you open up the MetaMask browser by tapping on the browser at the bottom. This is another process in which, if I'm to go through this particular process in this particular video, the video will be too long. But peradventure I get more questions on how to connect this, I can do another video for this connection. But for this purpose, you can go through it and see how you can navigate it. But if you have issues, please drop your questions in the comment section. When you go through this, it tells you how to connect. By connecting, then you'll be able to buy. Meanwhile, if you didn't mine Satoshi the other time to have core, you will go to either your Mexc or your Bybit or your Bitmart or your Hobby. You buy core there using the trade session, then transfer it to your MetaMask and use it to buy this cake. That's why I said if I have more than 10, or let's just say minimum of 5 people that ask for these connections, then I'll do that video and drop. But for now, this is how you go through the process for ICO. We close. Once you buy, it will add up to your balance and give you an increase in your acquired cake. I believe with these few explanations in this tutorial on this coin listing, you are fully guided and understood on how to carry out this particular airdrop of this Cakecore, so that by the time it's being launched, you participate and earn massive profit. I believe you are fully positioned for another opportunity, because opportunities like this will keep pumping up. The more they pump, the more I produce videos, the more I show you, because it's my duty here to guide you into money making strategies, money making patterns with little to no capital. It's my aim that those that feel maybe downcasted due to money they've lost in the crypto space before, they can use all these processes to recover what they've lost. Thank you for watching, and do feel free, just as I said earlier, to drop your comments in the comment section. And also, if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button, share and like my videos, drop your comments on the progresses that you are making. And I'll also appreciate that you go through my other videos and also give me your thumbs up, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye for now.